Synchronised security is a new idea from Sophos, really just taking the idea of taking what would have normally been separate security products like endpoint, encryption and firewall, and have them exchange data in a meaningful way to just build better protection for our customers. I would say the top three features, first of all, are the ability to isolate potentially infected machines. So the security heartbeat status can go from green to red, indicating that a machine has been compromised. And the system as a whole, particularly the firewall, can be used then to create policies so that while a machine's infected, it's not allowed to reach out to certain servers maybe that have privileged data, or it's restricted from accessing external websites. And all the time that device is in a compromised state, it can't access those things. Linked into that, we've also got the threat source identification, and this allows administrators of our XG firewall to really understand exactly where there's a problem on their network. So rather than just showing an IP address which is launched from malicious traffic, it's going to go a lot deeper. It's going to show things like who the currently active user is, the host name of that computer, the type of threat and the process that's launched that threat. It's just one console that allows really quick forensics to understand exactly what's happening, and more importantly, of course, how to go and remediate that problem.
Okay.
And then the final one I would say is the selective encryption capabilities. So this is all linked into using Sophos encryption as well. In a situation where a machine is compromised, then it's possible for our system to remove encryption keys from a device. The idea behind that is, while a device is in a compromised state, you can kind of assume that the cyber criminals maybe have got access to all the same data that that user would have access to. But if you take the encryption keys away from that system temporarily, then all the data that the cyber criminals might try and reach out for, it's all scrambled, because without those keys, that data is meaningless. And it means that while we can accept that we might have lost control temporarily of that endpoint, the most important thing is we've maintained integrity of the data, because while those keys are missing, it's just a bunch of meaningless junk. Synchronised security is available right now, and it's a natural function of just bringing the right Sophos products together. So Synchronised security isn't a product per se that you can buy, but it's a natural function of bringing things like our Sophos Central endpoint and our XG firewall together, and then you just get these additional capabilities.